Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about healthy foods and why they're so important for our overall well-being. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind, and by making small changes to our eating habits, we can reap big rewards. Let's dive into the world of healthy foods. First, we have fruits and vegetables. They're low in calories and high in nutrition, making them perfect for maintaining a healthy weight. Some of the best fruits and vegetables to include in your diet include leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, and cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cabbage. Next, we have whole grains. Whole grains are a great source of fiber, which helps to keep us feeling full and satisfied. They're also packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins and iron. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta are all great options. Another category of healthy foods are lean proteins. Protein is essential for building and repairing our muscles, and it's also needed for healthy skin, hair, and nails. When choosing lean proteins, opt for options like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu. Plant-based proteins like beans and legumes are also great choices. Last but not least, we have nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of healthy fats, which are essential for brain function and overall health. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals like magnesium and vitamin E. Some great choices include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. With that being said, eating a healthy diet doesn't have to be complicated or boring. By incorporating more fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, nuts and seeds into your diet, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Remember, small changes over time can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe.